welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am unboxing IPSY Bag's Glam Golden Hour Mystery Bag. So this is how it arrived to me. The bag cost $30. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate your visit. I do unboxings of different beauty and lifestyle boxes as well as home decor and hauls. Please feel free to watch some of my other videos and get a little bit more familiar with me. But for right now, let's get started with this bag and see what's in here. So again, the bag costs $30 and it's called Golden Hour Mystery Bag by IPSY. So this is what it comes. So we have a nice little makeup case here with the ladies with the little swimsuits on it. Very cute, very cute. Let's take a look. What is inside? Oh, this thing is pretty packed. Ooh. So the first thing I pull out is the SNL Miss Glam brushes. Now, I heard some other YouTubers talking about these brushes and I was like, I don't know. I mean, on IPSY, when you go on their site, you can buy things at a discount, so they weren't full price. But let's take a look at these brushes. I heard these brushes are like really, really good with putting on your makeup. So this is what I got. Isn't that cool? I can't wait to try these brushes out. Now that I'm doing makeup a little bit more, I can appreciate a better quality makeup brush, because before I did not care. But as you put on some of these eyeshadows and, you know, based on how the shape of your eye is, you find, you know, having a better quality brush that can pick up the product and put it on really is a benefit to you. So I can't wait to try these brushes. I am super excited that I got this because this was something that I was going to order. So I don't even have to order it. It came in my mystery bag. Great. So just so you guys get a better look, here we go. But and look at the glittery details, so pretty. And they're nice and soft. I can't wait to use these. Very excited. So our next product that I'm going to pull out, and they didn't put any prices in here, guys, so I don't know. I'll have to go give you a guesstimate at the end because I don't know what anything costs. So the next thing I have is Yesenia. This is a lipstick by this brand. I have some of their face masks, like their skincare products, but I didn't know they made makeup. So this is the Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick. And what color is this? It is Free Spirit is the name of the color. Let's take a look at it. Y'all can appreciate a free spirit. So this is how the packaging comes. So you guys can get a better look. And let's take a look at what the color is. Hold on. Okay, y'all getting fancy on me with these packagings because I'm sitting here like, how do I get this open? Okay, I had to click. All right. So this is the color. Now, generally, I don't like these kind of light colors, but I find that if I use a very, very light hand with a full face and top it off with a lip gloss, I can pull it off. But I always need a full face of makeup to pull off all these light colors. So I will keep it and give it a try. We have the Yesenia lipstick, so that's what we have here. So that's two products. Not bad so far. Look at here. I got a Juice Beauty product. So I have SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. So Juice Beauty does do good products. One of my friends, she loves everything of their products. So I can't wait to try this out. So this is for a broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. So pretty cool, full-size product too, 2.2 ounces. And so you guys can see what it looks like outside of its packaging. This is what we're working with. So not bad so far for my $30. I say we're doing pretty good. This is a good one. Ooh, a mascara. Okay, so this is made by the company Item. This is maybe my third product with them. So this is called the Lash Snack. So it is a lifting mascara. And since it's already sealed up, guys, I am not going to bother with opening this up, and it can just have a longer shelf life. But I love mascara, so that's a plus. And our last product, oh, we have a face oil of some sort. Hold on, let me figure out how to get this out the bag here. So this is Dermadeli Centris Gold Oil. This is a simulates cell and enhances radiant skin. So it's a face oil. You shake well and apply 2 to 4 drops to clean skin and use for topical use only. So not bad. So I have 2 skincare products in review. I have 3 makeup products. So for $30, based on the brands that were in here, I'm very happy about these makeup brushes. And I'm happy with the Juice Beauty product, as well as the facial oil and mascara. The only problem I think is the lipstick may be a little too light, so we're going to try to work with it and maybe mix it with some other shades if it is a little too light, to kind of get my desired look that looks great with my complexion. But guys, $30, not bad at all. Based on the products that I have, because I think these brushes kind of have like almost like a $30 value just by themselves. Juice Beauty product, I'm not sure what this is, but I'm gonna try to research the prices and put them in for what I find the market value of these items to be, and we can really tell, you know, if I really got a good deal. But I honestly think I did. So guys, let me know if you liked anything in my box here from these mystery bags. I love these mystery bags. You never know what you're gonna get. You get some good stuff. You get really good stuff sometimes. So I'm very pleased with this golden hour mystery bag by IPSY. Let me know what you guys liked. Is there any products that you tried before? If any of you use these SNL makeup brushes, let me know how they worked out for you. But guys, thank you. I will see you next time. Again, we post weekly on this channel. There's always some unboxing happening of some sort. So please feel free to stop by once a week and check me out. I got plenty other videos on my channel. I'd appreciate the views. You have nothing else to do, just, you know, sit back and hang out with your girl. See you next time, guys. Bye.